it's me, your girl McKenzie, and I'm gonna be making a slime video. So you need 2 bottles of glue, you need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you need 1 tablespoon of contact solution, and you need food coloring, and then you mix that all up, and you need a spoon to mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting. So you need to open the glue. Put the cap right there. Don't fall. Okay. Now just get 2 bottles and dump it in. And you need a bowl. So that would be weird if you don't. Of course you need a bowl. Make sure you get all the glue out. All the glue. Okay. There we go. And put it back. Okay, now you need this. So, just gonna do this. This eye contact solution. There we go. Now you need this. Don't use that much. Do like 2 drops. So I'm gonna do like 3. 1. You don't wanna wait. Just gonna do 2. There we go. I want I want a natural light. Okay, now you gotta close this up. And now you got to mix it up. Just keep mixing. I'm gonna stand up for this. Whoa. Whoa. I think it's turning into slime, guys. I think it's turning into slime. I think you need a little bit more contact solution, a little bit. So, how do you, oh, there we go. I'm gonna do 1 drop, 2. Okay. Now, mix it. Oh, it's turning into slime, guys. It's turning into slime. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more food coloring, because you want all color. You don't want just white everywhere. So get the spots that are white. Okay, and you want to mix it really, really good. Okay. This might get a little bit sticky and messy, so if you don't want to do that, then just get a spoon. But when it starts looking to turn into slime like this, then you put your hands in it. Okay, now I'm just gonna pour 1 more drop because there's a little bit more white there. 1 more. No more food coloring. Okay, keep mixing, keep mixing. See, doesn't that look good, guys? That looks cool, amazing. See, it's into slime. I'm gonna see if it's slime. Whoa, this is a little bit more sticky. Whoa, okay. Gonna do this. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this. You might get messy if you use your hands and it's sticky. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna get a paper towel, guys. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Keep mixing, mixing, and mixing. Mixy, mixy, mix. Okay, is this slime? It is slime! Yay! It worked! Okay, so I'm gonna see for the test. It's slime! For realsies, guys. For realsies. It might be a little bit sticky, but you guys can add some more contact solution, but I'm not because just gonna keep it this way. And I'm gonna try if it can do this. Okay, so it's not working for that, but still is amazing and cool. I'm gonna try some tricks with it if it can do the same tricks that can do with slime. Okay, so you just do this. Okay, stretch it out a little. Whoa, this is really sticky. If yours is really sticky, you need more contact solution. I think I need more, but I don't know. My hands. I can't turn it all. Okay. It's sticky. I need more contact solution. Okay, so I'm gonna add more contact solution. Well, my mom's gonna help me because I got this on my hands. Whoa. Now, let's try some more. Now it's a little bit more better. I think we need a little bit more baking soda. Now we need to mix it all good. Mix it, mix it. Oh, it worked, guys. But your hands might be sticky first because you just made it. So just gonna keep mixing. It worked. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it because my hands aren't working that well. Okay, but this still works. Okay, I'm gonna see the truth test. It works. Bye, guys.